Now, this is the second video for the RSE or rear seat entertainment, but the front seat entertainment. This is how the screen looks. You have the same look, the YouTube Kids, Hulu, YouTube. I can tap on it. If I have data in my car I'm paying for, I can just log on to it that way. Now, you might be telling yourself, okay, how my driver might be distracted? That's illegal. Once he put the vehicle in drive, this screen will appear black to him from that side. You won't be able to see it. Now, let's see if we can see it. Go ahead, put it in. Yeah, there it is.
Can't see it on
It turned black. Now put it back in park. Reappears. So the polarization happens when it's in drive and the driver can't see it. So you can do the same thing in the front that you can do from the rear. You can get your HDMI cord. Let me show you where it's at because it's a little tricky. It's down there at the bottom. So you plug your HDMI up at the bottom. It's only one. And then you plug the other end to the adapter and the other end to the phone. And make sure it's on, of course. We talked about that in the first video. Now, he has, let me hit the HDMI button here to say that's what I want to look at. His phone comes up and the movie starts playing. And of course I can listen to it through the headphones or through the speakers. And this is done, of course, headphones there, turn it on and off there or there. You can control your headphones or going through the speakers.
How do you get it to go through the speakers?
Say again?
How do you get it to go through the speakers?
Turn off headphones and it should play.